Microsoft Edge to force Outlook and Teams to open links in Edge. Microsoft is forcing Outlook and Teams to open links in Edge, even if the user's default browser is something else. This change is being made to all users of Microsoft 365, including those who have already installed Edge. Microsoft promoting Edge. The change is being made because Microsoft wants to promote Edge as its default browser. Edge is based on the Chromium web browser, which is also used by Google Chrome. Microsoft believes that Edge is a better browser than Chrome, and it wants to make it the default browser for all users of Microsoft 365. Users unhappy. However, many users are not happy with this change. They prefer to use their own default browser, and they do not want to be forced to use Edge. Microsoft has not said if there will be any way to opt out of this change. Here are some of the reasons why users are not happy with this change. They do not want to use Edge. They are worried about privacy. They are worried about compatibility issues. They do not want to be forced to use a browser that they do not want to use. Microsoft has not responded. Microsoft has not said if there will be any way to opt out of this change. If there is no way to opt out, then many users may be forced to switch to a different productivity suite. Keywords: Microsoft Edge, Outlook, Teams, forced links, SEO,